Students enrolled in a ceramics class will experience an art course that pushes them to be curious and to learn strategies and techniques of thinking creatively. The artistic creative process, like the design process in engineering and the scientific method in conducting experiments, provides students with a map or foundation for developing their conceptual ideas and then setting into motion actions leading to the successful execution of their plan. Where do ideas come from, and how do we make our thoughts become a physical reality? Magic is the ability to make something from nothing. This is exactly what happens when you take a ball of clay and turn it into a sculpture or a functional bowl. Bring your sense of wonder and invite your inner child to play with clay. The only limitations we have in ceramics is the size of the studio kiln. Dream the impossible dream and go big. Students enrolled in a Ceramics 1 course will learn the foundations of working with clay as an art material. Students will learn coil, pinch, slab, and wheel throwing as primary techniques to build and make creations out of clay. Once students understand the 6 stages of clay and become familiar with at least 3 different surface decoration techniques, they are off to the races in coming up with their own ideas and then making them real. Students will learn the artistic creative process, culminating in developing an independent project proposal where students can investigate their own passion areas or pursuits. Students enrolled in Ceramics 2 will continue to further develop their skills in hand building techniques and wheel throwing. Wheel thrown projects may include nesting bowls with trimmed feet, 5 to 7 pound salad bowls, and or altering and texturing wheel thrown forms. Use of an armature will help students to successfully sculpt an open themed bust sculpture. Students will further develop their skills in proposing at least 2 independent project proposals using the artistic creative process. Ceramics 3 and 4. Students enrolled in Ceramics 3 or 4 are now encouraged to become more autonomous and self directed, completing as many independent project proposals as necessary to meet their goals and challenge them to discover or invent new clay processes and techniques. Students will be encouraged to submit their artworks into regional, state, and district art competitions and develop portfolios to help earn scholarships. Many local businesses have approached the Advanced Air Academy High School ceramic arts programs to create permanent installations and murals. The Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, Concrete Couch, and the Energy Resource Center are just a few to be named. Students are encouraged to leave a legacy for future generations at this level by creating mosaic murals or clay sculpture installations. Note: at this level, students are introduced and involved with studio maintenance and processes, loading kilns, and mixing glazes. Students will be expected to submit their best work to school exhibits, district, and local art shows. Ceramics 4 may be taken as an honors art course with a weighted grade.